Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a makeup look. I'm gonna start by clipping the hair away. By the way, I'm so sorry for what's going on here. I really wanted to clean up and pretend that my house is constantly clean and perfect, but it is not, so you know, real life. So I'm gonna start by doing a little bit of Rosewater, and then I'm using this Chanel Camellia water cream just to rehydrate my skin a little bit. I wanted to do a little bit of a depuffing to the face, and I also wanted to introduce to you these really cool ReFa rollers. I wanted to say a huge thank you to ReFa for sponsoring this portion of the video. You can get them at Sephora, and these are actually one of the top skincare brands in Japan, and they are just coming into the US and Canada market. Basically, what's unique about these is the fact that it has like a solar thing here, so it actually provides a microcurrency type of treatment to your skin, and they have a lot of like different tutorials of how to use it. Basically roll on the areas where you want to depuff, you want to contour, you want to define. They have a bunch of different versions, and each one of them targets different areas. I also really love to use these here. These are great for lymphatic drainage, and this roller you can use on areas like your chest, your neck, your inner thighs, again to help with kind of get the circulation moving. This one is another device. This is the CAXA Ray one. This is actually one of their more popular devices because it's the only one that sculpts and roll, and the way they structured is to precisely hit all the spots that it needs to make sure that it activates the right muscles on your skin. You definitely want to make sure that you use a moisturizer before, because you don't want it to tug on the skin. You want it to glide and just kind of pull up, and that's what we're trying to get with this motion, really, is just pulling everything up. For anyone who suffers from puffiness, again, these are some great devices to help you combat that. Okay, now that the skin is prepped ready, I am gonna dive into the tutorial. If you guys haven't subscribed and pressed the bell yet, what you waiting for? This is a cue to do it. This is your cue. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is a primer just to help with making sure this look is as professional yet subtle and natural, but can hold a bit in case you want to wear it out and go to a wedding or something. I'm only gonna use this primer in these areas. I know a lot of people use primer all over, but for me, this is what I want to make sure that my skin here looks the best and that the pores are minimized. Then I'm gonna move to this beige water fresh tint. It has small little bubbles inside of it, which is where the color is stored. Because this is a summer look, I really want the skin to look fresh and glowy and not too much covered. Honestly, in my opinion, in general with makeup looks, I think that skincare and the way you treat your skin is so much more important than the, you know, techniques and the amount of makeup you use, because you really want to make sure that you have a good canvas. And I think that that's why I always put skincare and taking care of my skin first before makeup products. I'm going to move to my eyebrows because I literally can't do any makeup tutorial without my eyebrows looking good. So I'm using this Gimme Brow by Benefit. I'm going to go over with this Precisely My Brow pencil. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, we're going for a very like pinkish, flowerish look. What I am gonna do is start with my setting powder just to make sure that this area will hold on to the creamy eyeshadow I'll be putting. So I use this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. And then for my eyes, I'm gonna be using Nudestix. So I'm gonna start with this Cherry Blossom Babe, which is basically a color stick. And this you can use for your cheeks or lips or eyes, which what I'm gonna use here. And then I'm gonna have a little darker color, which is the Kiss. This is actually a matte lip and cheek pencil, but it's gonna work on my eyes as well. Now I'm gonna be taking the pencil and I'm gonna put it here. I just took a little bit from the pencil to also apply it to the bottom part. Okay, I'm gonna do the same here. And then I'm just gonna use the Nudestix Cherry Blossom Babe to do a little bit here. I'm gonna put some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I keep doing this because I like when the mascara is a little drier. I feel like it just gives a better result for the lashes. Once I'm done with this, I'm just going to go with my Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's a bronze. You can obviously build up the color, depends on your skin tone. I'm just gonna do a little bit of definition. I love that the skin is so glowy. We are gonna put some powder on areas that need a little settling down. Don't forget your neck. I'm gonna use my concealer. I love using my fingers because I make the actual product kind of melt into my skin rather than just sit on it topically. The warmth of your fingers, in my opinion, is always like a better way to make the makeup look natural and effortless. I wanted to kind of continue going with the colors. This is Rouge Coco Flash. Wow, I have a lot of Chanel makeup here. I'm just like been really loving the subtlety and the quality of them. My inspiration picture has very solid color on the lips, but I actually wanted to go for something that's more of a flash of color. That's why I love this line from Chanel. It has just like a subtle kind of watercolor feel to it, and you can again build it up. It either can look like a tinted moisturizer or it can look like a lipstick with a little shine. This is my highlighter. I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm also gonna put it a little bit inside. P.S. I would definitely not wear any like pink dress because then it would be like a lot going on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching my blooming makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't checked the latest Get Ready With Me, you can check it out here, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell.